Welcome back guys with a brand new video, and today we are diving into the world of bandpass filters and noise. Bandpass filters are fantastic tools that allow specific frequencies to pass through while attenuating others. But what happens when we introduce noise only? So let's find out what's happened. First off, let's quickly recap what a bandpass filter does. I have already made a video on bandpass filter. You can also check out it. It's designed to only permit a certain range of frequencies to pass through while blocking everything else. This can be incredibly useful in various applications, from audio processing to radio communications. Now, when we add noise as an input signal, things getting interested. Noise, as you might know, is a random fluctuation in an electrical signal. It contains, or you can say, a wide range of frequencies, and when it's applied to our bandpass filter, it interacts in intriguing ways. And as we introduce a noise into our system, you will notice that the outputs become a blend of filtered signals and noise and the noise itself. The characteristics of the noise affect the output in different ways based on their frequencies and amplitudes. Here's a visual representations of what's happening. The bandpass filter's frequencies response curve shows the range of frequencies it allows as noise is added. Those frequencies outside the band passbands are suppressed, but some noise components within the passband get through. If you can see, here's what we will get at the output. You can see you can listen the audio here. Let me play the output audio. It's something like that, because different types of noise, like you can say white noise, pink noise, or even specific frequency interference, can create distinct effects on the filtered signals. For instance, white noise with frequencies across the spectrum might be more noticeable in the output compared to a focused frequency interference. So if we uh, here we can check out the output only. Here we have the both input and outputs. Here we have the only audio outputs, and here let me create only noise. This is the noise that we are getting, the different frequencies. And let me slow down the simulation speeds, then you can easily understand. And so here we have the audio outputs. You can see with the frequencies. Let me change this because it's audible, so not showing on the cursor. And you can listen the outputs from here. So in conclusion, introducing noise to a bandpass filter can alter the output in fascinating ways. Understanding how noise interacts with the filter's passbands and stopband frequencies can be crucial in various applications where signal's purity is essential. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep experimenting and exploring the worlds of electronics. See you soon.